Good. Alright. Yo, so it's been a while. I haven't been posting as much videos as I would like to the last couple of weeks. But as you guys know, with everything going on around in the world right now, a lot of people have been feeling pretty not feeling good, you know. I've been trying to muster up the motivation to get work done and be productive. So if I can send you guys some positive vibes in this video, this is me sending you guys some positive vibes. I do have some sneakers I want to unbox and share with you guys because new sneakers are a thing that make me happy, and I'm sure they're a thing that make you guys happy as well. Whenever you have new shoes, it almost feels like it's Christmas Day or something, you know. With that being said, I have 3 new sneaker pickups to share with you guys today, along with 2 pieces of clothing. And a lot of these pickups I feel like you guys will really like, so I'll leave them linked in the description down below if they're not sold out yet, okay? Some of these shoes I expect to sell out very quick. If not, they might be already sold out and you might have missed it. Let's get to the first sneaker pickup, which is an Air Jordan right here, an Air Jordan 1 mid. And by the way, I did do a top 10 Air Jordan 1 mid video, so check that out if you haven't yet. This was a mid that definitely is going to be having some resale value, I want to say, over the next month or so. Not next month or so, over the next few months, just because the colorway is really fire. So let's open it up. And the main reason I bought these was because I wanted to review them for you guys. A lot of you guys seem to love Jordan 1 mids. The perception of them has really changed over the years. And bam, this is the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe Mid. You could call these the Royal 1 mids. It's not the exact same color blocking as the Air Jordan 1 Royal. I'll have that on screen right now on this side of the screen, and then we'll have the mid-top version in my right hand. There's obviously some differences with the way the color blocking is done on the shoe, but the overall vibe and the overall aesthetic and look of the shoe is very similar. It is a mid-top version, of course, so you're gonna have the Jumpman logo here, not a Nike Air. I'll do a full review on these sneakers, but in the poll right now, let me know if these are a cop or a drop in the top right-hand corner. For me, this is a cop, and if you are just getting into sneakers, maybe you are looking for a pair of Jordan 1s and you're on a tighter budget, these and the bread toe version they recently did are very good options, along with maybe those shattered backboard mids I know some people really seem to like. One thing you're gonna notice is the swoosh actually uses like a padded leather material, while the rest of the shoe uses a leather material. I've been seeing that Jordan Brand has been doing that a lot lately on the mid tops. I always have the swoosh have a slightly different material. I honestly don't really like that they do that. I wish they kept it just all the one material throughout the entire sneaker. Overall, it's a solid sneaker. Retail price for this in Canada, I forget the exact amount. I have it up on screen right now. I want to say it was 140 Canadian plus tax, unless they raise the price again for Retro 1 mids. But that is the very first sneaker pickup, the Air Jordan 1 Mid Royal. One of my favorite artists slash rappers, Russell, just dropped a brand new album called Boy Lonely. And if you guys know me, I love Russell, Pride, D-Pride, whatever you want to call him. I love his music. He's also Filipino as well, like myself, so extra relatable there. And he put out some merch with the album, so I decided to pick up 2 pieces of merch. If you guys want to check out Boy Lonely, I'll leave it linked in the description down below. I'm sure you have some time to listen to some new music, so maybe you'll like the music I'm into. I love what he's done with the album. But yeah, that's it. This is the hoodie right here. It's a maroon color, and it has this Boy Lonely little graphic on the upper left chest area right here. It's a pretty standard hoodie. The quality isn't amazing or anything like that. It is made in Canada. Little tag. I ended up getting a XL for this hoodie, and yeah, just a nice maroon color. On the back, it actually has the track listing, so all the songs from the album. If you guys want to listen to some new music, check out Russell. Next up is a t-shirt, and one of the songs, actually the music video, whatever, is a parody of that. You guys know the lo-fi hip-hop channels that you guys probably listen to when you're studying or doing work or just chilling. Russell had a whatchamacallit, sort of a parody design of that lo-fi hip-hop girl chilling. So it has like Russell there with his headphones, his cat, even it got the face tattoo right under his eye there. You guys will see me rocking this a bunch over the quarantine months. So this next sneaker pickup is a Nike Air Force 1, and it isn't the main reason I titled the video the way I did. The main reason will be in this box right here. However, these shoes right here are the very first time I've actually bought a pair of Nike Air Force 1s with the React technology in them. If you guys don't know React, it's like Nike's latest cushioning technology. Well, actually no, they did do those Joyride bead things, but React is like their current, like their go-to at the moment when it comes to their cushioning technology. It's supposed to rival Boost, I want want to say. So this right here is a Nike Air Force One React. Now they haven't done too many colorways of the Air Force One React so far, but this is one I definitely wanted to scoop up because it's in that classic Air Force One color scheme, that white on white. These are the Nike Air Force One Low React. It really is not what I'm used to. I'm used to having an Air Force One have a complete like leather upper, at least for the most part when it comes to my Air Force Ones that I personally buy. So these actually have like a mesh right here on the side of the sneaker. You guys can see the texture, and it actually has that Nike swoosh sort of like print on top of the side of the shoe. That swoosh is a bit larger than we're used to seeing, and it also sort of overlaps the midsole. It's a bit of an oversized Nike swoosh. Another thing I noticed is that the Air branding right here, this sticks out. It actually sticks out, and it says React in very, very small text on that gray line right there, so that's pretty cool. Usually the stars, there's like stars on the Air Force Ones. They don't have the stars anymore. It has like the React technology instead, so very interesting. I'm hoping these are super, super comfortable. I usually like the comfort of Air Force One lows in general, so the fact that they've now added some React technology, I'm hoping it's really good, and hopefully I will get a lot of wear out of these. If not, give them away. I'm not too sure what I'll do with these exactly, but they just really have a lot of small extra details on this particular pair. Like you can see the extra panels of leather right here. The Nike branding on the swoosh is slightly changed, just like a big square logo right there. And then they don't include a lace lock. Usually you guys know they have the silver lace lock thing, or not lace lock, little detail there. They don't have that anymore. It's just like a little piece of fabric right there holding the laces all together. So that is the second sneaker pickup. I believe sizes for the white pairs will sell out a lot faster than the other colorways that they do release. But again, I'll leave links to the Nike Air Force One Low React in the description down below, so feel free to check those out. I feel like the white one will be the best selling colorway for the Nike React Air Force Ones. I think if they do some black colorways and some more bold summer colorways, they won't sell out as fast, but when it comes to the white on white Air Force Ones, it's just a go-to. It's a go-to sneaker. But with that said, is this a copper drop? Let me know with the poll in the top right hand corner. Now let's get to the final sneaker pickup of the video. OffWhite. You guys probably like OffWhite. You guys probably like the collaborations they've done with Nike in the past. As you guys know, they've released a bunch of Air Force One OffWhites in the past. Let's actually have a quick little look at the different colorways that they've done. They've done a black one, they've done a white one, they've done another white one, they've done blue, they've done neon yellow. They've done so many Air Force One OffWhites. But let's face it, getting those shoes for retail, it's a bit of a pain in the ass. It's hard to get lucky for retail. So Nike actually has an Air Force One model that does have off-white vibes, but you'll be able to buy these sneakers at retail, and some of the colorways actually at a slight discount, maybe 20 to 30% off. This colorway right here, I think might be the perfect off-white budget alternative replacement kind of sneaker. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a good alternative if you're balling on a budget. This right here is the again the Nike Air Force One Type 2. So it sort of has these like tech wear kind of vibes along with those off-white deconstructed vibes. I will be reviewing these sneakers on the channel very soon, but let's pop these out of the box. Ooh, that smells good. That smells good. I didn't even bother smelling the other shoes. I just wanted to smell these ones the most. So here we have it. These are the Nike Air Force One Type 2 all white, triple white version. Damn, take a look at these. These are clean. They also have a little tag right here. Sort of reminds me of like actual off-white sneakers, how they have a massive, do they have a massive paper? Well, they have a zip tie anyways, but they have these right here. No zip tie included for these. These have got to be one of the, if not the cleanest off-white inspired Air Force One they have done so far. You guys know they've done the, I'm sure you guys know about the Air Force One Low utilities that they released many different versions of. This is the neon yellow pair I have right here. I paid resale for these actually in Japan. But the Air Force One Type 2, I think is a even better version of like an off-white Air Force One on a budget, because it really does go for that sort of deconstructed kind of vibe right here. The different kind of materials they use on the shoes, not what we're used to seeing on an Air Force One. They also have that sort of like see-through look on the side of the shoe that that we saw from the ghosting pack in the 10 collection with Nike and OffWhite. So this is, I want to say, the best OffWhite budget sneaker, OffWhite alternative sneaker if you are on a tighter budget for the spring and summer. So I am planning to do sneaker reviews for all these sneakers on the channel, but let me know in the comment section down below which was your favorite sneaker pickup from today's sneaker haul. The Air Force 1 Type 2s, the Air Force 1 Reacts, or the Air Jordan 1 Mid. Let me know in the comment section down below, and we'll also do the sneaker reviews for the shoes in the order that you guys vote for them in. And we might do some giveaways for these sneakers, so if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below and you'll find out if we're giving them away in the sneaker review. Thank you guys so much for watching, spending your time with me this evening, this morning, this afternoon, whenever you're watching this. Hopefully you guys had a good day, a better day tomorrow, and I'm just trying to send some positive vibes your way. I'm gonna try and keep you guys busy and entertained during the this period right now. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. I miss the smell of new shoes.